A team of 3 ministers inspect the prevailing land dispute between Tungjoy village of Senapati district and Kezakeno village in Peg district, Nagaland. General Manager of Northeastern Frontiers Railways, N.K. Prasad, assures that train service will reach Manipur latest by 2023. Representatives of Manpeg meet Chief Minister Nongthongbam Birain regarding Citizenship Amendment Bill. Manpeg expresses discontentment over CM's assurance. Health Minister L.J. Antakumar says Manipur AIDS Control Society are initiating efforts to form a separate HIV/AIDS policy in the state on the occasion of World AIDS Day today. And 40th State Level Science, Mathematics and Environment Exhibition 2019 concludes. Winners of the competition will compete at national level competitions. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithima Monica with the latest news updates. A team of 3 ministers led by Minister Losi Dikho inspected the prevailing land dispute between Tungjoy village of Senapati district and Kezakeno village in Peg district, Nagaland today. The 3 ministers, namely Losi Dikho, Karam Sham and Kayisi, assured to resolve the conflict between the two governments at the earliest. Villagers of Tungjoy also expressed to stand firm in unity for the territorial integrity of the state and urged the government to act as per the interest of the villagers. Upon inspection of the border area by the top officials of the state, including the villagers of Tungjoy, Nagaland, Kezakeno villagers were found encroaching or trespassing on Manipur's land. The 3 ministers assured the villagers of Tungjoy that they will hold conversations with Chief Minister Nongthongbam Birain and solve the issue at the earliest.
New government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister. I am interested Lorga. Shidi Yaroi we have to take up, and I think this is the history. Me a ministerial team Thabachiko. So we are here to understand what is the problem. Ground realities are physically representation negotiation or issue curriculum issue. But by seeing the actual ground reality, because we understand, all of us understand, officials and the ministers understand the argument
Koi yam atubada committee gi mifama pangani ngasi hayengda aduga uraiba sinjigi recommendation nama government tawraga Nagaland government amadi Manipur government gi marakta the phaminaraga sungyo chodna the negotiation nama tawnanaba Manipur praja gi interest adugi responsibility amadi sungyo chodna as a minister revenue aduga chairman dasu aduga kashi sahib su laire aduga department gi maroiba official sing su lai solution nama sungyo choi porkani
State amaga state amakan tawnari mangsi khun ani gi decision dedi oiroidra state akoi Manipur ga Nagaland state ani si pullaga decision lobuna phagadra hina khali na masi dispute lenchi negotiation ti tawbu ngamaidra hina dikhali aduna yarbeni masi yamna athubada ngasi akoi lagliba team asi honorable chief minister so akoi paupi rigini akoi ngasi chaliba to sigi si yam athubada ngasi chalega dong akoi paupi gini aduga akoi state government gi kari decision lawudra madu honorable chiam ga tanarega aduga akoi committee ga tanarega masi decision si yamna athubada paikhatninge hona jagni hebisi mam dhaijeri.
Taking part in the inspection, one villager of Tungjoy village, PTR High, said that an area around 3 kilometers in breadth and 7 kilometers in length of Ziri, which is a part of Tungjoy village, is encroached by Nagaland state. He further condemned misappropriation of Manipur's land during the Hornbill Festival, which is one of the biggest festivals of Nagaland. He maintained that Nagaland police station, which is situated along the border of Manipur, does not even prevent the Nagaland residents from trespassing in Manipur's land. PTR High expressed disappointment over the failure of the previous government for lack of action on the matter. He urged the present government to take up necessary measures on the issue without further delay.
Nagaland side gi Nagaland government development tabajam pakhale aduna Manipur side issue ukhay lambi sembio harishu ukhay hairemi asa tourist ki center ama piu harishu ukhay phajana hairemi adungba thabakhara tawbiramo tunje projagi Manipur state gi boundary de ngapiu ukhay Manipur territory kaiba ngamde habiri wa chaw nangange adu asida leide bama phamdadi Manipur gi boundary hand chasing lasu Manipur state na tumina ledagadi ukhay Manipur kiri tawrakini Manipur sarkar Manipur gi territory kaiba ngamde hana lawbase aramba tarakini aduna chinda leiriba lambisu Manipur gi ni aduna tunjoeda Nagaland mina kushu nagani kushu nagani adushu Nagaland da leiriba naga sinna Manipur dal leiriba naga praja simbu usitana chasimba adu Manipur sarkar na matimpiu kushu tophan thopadu ukhay tauge ekho se dispute ready ipa epu ginina tunje praja mayang lai tharaga su ekho thadopa ngamde ekho se in samasu mibo piba jarwe.
General Manager of Northeastern Frontier Railways N.K. Prasad assured that train service will reach Manipur latest by 2023. He said that 75% of railways line construction works taken up under the Northeast Frontier Railways in Manipur is already completed. N.K. Prasad said the same during the inauguration of the 1 kilometer long railway tunnel number 7 located between Marangching and Pungbong village in Kotlan under Tupul Imphal section today. Speaking to media, N.K. Prasad said 80% of the drilling works of the hills to construct tunnels, which is one of the most important works of construction of railway line reaching Imphal through Ziribam via Tupul, is completed. Maintaining that most of the construction of tunnel works is completed, he asserted that efforts are underway to complete the construction process of the 140-feet long Noni railway bridge without further delay.
From Jiribam to Tupul and Imphal, almost I would say 80% of the tunnel work we have completed.
Okay, sir.
All our contractors, everybody is doing excellent job as far as tunnel is concerned. We are only stuck up is the tall bridges. You can say that it's around 70%, 70-75%. Because as I told you, tunnel is our main work here. Tunnel is over. Very difficult, in this terrain. Now is the tall bridges. We have got 6 tall bridges. Even the pier height is 141, 100, 103. Already girder launching is started. You must be seeing. So very soon, once that bridges are ready, we are through. Because linking, track linking, other things are very fast. We move very fast. 2023, I will board the train and come here.
Representatives of Manpack announced a decision regarding Citizenship Amendment Bill, which is likely to be passed in the ongoing Parliament session. Manpack members from different communities attended the meeting. Speaking to media at Chief Minister's Bungalow today, Manpack convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar said that Manpack took a firm stance against implementation of CAB in northeast states, including Manipur, during the meet. He asserted that Chief Minister Nongthomba Biren also assured to add a separate clause to save the state in the bill, following which the members urged Nongthomba Biren to submit a written assurance to their demands to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. He added, Chief Minister asserted that Home Minister Amit Shah has assured to meet with the CSOs of Manipur regarding the bill. Responding to the queries made by media persons on the various statements made by the Home Minister on the protest of the Northeast states and NEFIF, Dilip Kumar asserted that there is no withdrawal of protest by NEFIF regarding CAB. He added that a NEFIF will hold a people convention to affirm their stance against the contentious bill at the earliest.
Manipur yauna Northeast ki state sing da sanaba yaroi haibani aduga government gi maige da gena hoi makoina close ama hapchen ba haibani hairi ba adu makki oina di khoi di hojik di madu khanaba hodri hairi close hapchen manatar na hapchen da ba haiba sida koi kaimta madra aya ba biba leite Manpack ki maige da gi di hanagi ware hongba leite Northeast ki state pon makta CBS sanaba sungya yaroi haiba phire ba se chap chana lei aduga lona na masi thengna na ba gi da makta koi leptana dumak khongjing changsin gani wafamje thamjari koina khangdabadagi natragana khangna masi neglect tobra haibasi koi wakal da su phawi aduna masi kaurak targasu koi yamne henna maduda chattaba yade habi wafamni thoroko leite adu karigumba da makoina invite tawraga di koi chatkani.
Members of Manipur State Yoga Association, along with PST and PYS Manipur, Paravidya Yoga Sanstha, Manipur Unit, and DYTRA Kakching, carried out alert protestment against any threat to the integrity and administration of Manipur by the final settlement of the Naga peace talks at Kesamthong Market today. Taking part in the protest, the protester extended full solidarity to all the initiatives taken by Kokomi against any threat to the state's territorial integrity.
Agreement Manipur Sopo Yawapum Karika Yawage, Manipur integrity, Kahan Vigano, administration the Kutina Vigano, Aduga, autonomous council single Siam region and the federal council Siamoni having single chair, must Siam Dana, like Minerva Puruputa Marisi, Muxi Chanana, like Minerva Yana Bagi, Sakut Pada. Chang Thong Manas of Navi, Kongjang Amada, La Piragadi, Madu agreement of Hartaram Okani.
Manipur also joined the rest of the world in observing World AIDS Day today. Manipur AIDS Control Society held the event at First Manipur Rifles ground. Speaking at the event, Health Minister Lampolapam Jayantikumar said that Manipur AIDS Control Society are initiating efforts to form a separate HIV/AIDS policy for the state at the earliest, asserting that the central government has already formed a separate policy for HIV/AIDS. He maintained that suggestions are taken from the various organizations and NGOs to form the same in the state. He asserted that the policy will greatly facilitate the victims battling in HIV/AIDS. He urged the people to extend their cooperation to the initiative of the state government and NGOs to curb HIV/AIDS from the state. He further appealed to the HIV/AIDS victims not to lose faith and remain strong and extend their assistance to the public for the welfare of the society. The minister also appealed to the public to care and support the HIV/AIDS victims. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham and top officials took part in the event. Student winners of the painting competition held on the occasion, along with NGOs and individuals working on HIV/AIDS, were also felicitated on the occasion.
Masi eradicate tawna hona bana haiba je ai kaktana ngamoy chele bi NGO kaktana ngamoy laibu official kaktana ngamoy it needs total involvement of the community madu akhoi mayam gi akan makli collective effort to maduna focus tawro matung da masi tawda bi ade na haiba gi tangai bata makli ko dama or kadu makli sigi matang da policy matma thamen bugi central government policy lai gre to madu manaba amasung air reaction dok chanjin tawra ko local situation ga chanda makli policy ma thamna bana haiba gi makes na kan honoring madu it is the process now we have taken already the suggestions madung mayam dama NGO kangu sing so laure adna bai khale the ones masi lore madung de lairi ba makli policy mati makhadre da akoina tawrok pa ya ba makli report hapsil lak pa ya makli report kari kari lagi na haiba so koi lu tamno siam sa
Ziribam district also held World AIDS Day organization observation today. Child Welfare Ashram ACWA along with Tiptits Ziribam organized the event on the theme Communities Make the Difference at Samu Punbi Community Hall today. MLA Asab Uddin flagged off a cycle rally carrying message on HIV/AIDS as part of the event. The rally commenced from Ziribam Higher Secondary School gate and concluded at Samu Punbi Community Hall. Various NGOs of Moray under Manipur AIDS Control Society carried out a mass rally at Moray in relation to World AIDS Day observance today. A red ribbon campaign was also launched on the occasion. Moray Police SDPO L. Megabar flagged off the rally from Moray Trade Center. Members of various NGOs, Organization for Salvation of Men, OSOM, DPU, OSD and New Generation took part in the rally, which concluded at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate. The rallyist also took part a red ribbon campaign and distributed red ribbon vest to the people. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO strongly condemned the drawings made on the walls of Kuman Lampak in relation to International Days Against Drug Abuse, as it depicts that the Meitei Pangal community of the state are involved in drug abuse. Information and Publicity Secretary of MMWO Kulakpam Adil Khan appealed to stop portraying the people of Meitei Pangal community as drug peddlers and abusers. He urged the authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest. He further appealed to whoever concerned not to repeat such communal act again in the future.
Manipur mitai pangan aikoi lady bawa aikoi na lady pase aikoi drug asigina te haiba wahi je koi thamjage masida uhaliba porase asugumba furup amada kanglup amada atamna na uhanba porase tawbiganu haiba porase ngasi MMW na lady bawa Manipur da lady bawa mitai pangan bu ngaktana mitai pangan gi integrity kaidana ba aikoi punna chamina naba ima Manipur gi damakta lepi leiri haibase ai ngasi gi media gi thokda haijage asigumba mahong hutaba thawong manba midai pangan singbu namdaba manba posak ase ngasi ai koi thauthi taisan jarage.
General Secretary of All Manipur College Teachers Association AMCTA in a press release informed that All Manipur Government Aided College Teachers Association AMGATA has been merged with the association from today. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on conclusion of 48th state-level Science, Mathematics and Environment Exhibition 2019. You're watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. 40th state-level Science, Mathematics and Environment Exhibition 2019 on the theme Science and Technology for Sustainable Development successfully concluded today. Department of Education S Science Unit organized the event at DG Higher Secondary School campus. Winners of the exhibition were felicitated with gifts on the occasion. Deputy Secretary of Education S Regina Hongre and many people took part in the valedictory event. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner of Education S K.H. Raghumani said that science eased the various inconvenience facing the people and greatly facilitate in bringing development to the society. He asserted that the exhibition aims to instill scientific temper among the people and to encourage the students to take major roles in alleviating the plights facing the society. Attending the event, Additional Director of Education, School and Valley C.H. Saji lauded the students for executing outstanding performances in the exhibition. He asserted that the exhibition provides a platform for students to showcase their hidden talents and creativity and to socialize among themselves. Students from 17 zones of the state participated in the competition. 5 student winners of the exhibition will be given opportunity to participate in the upcoming Eastern India Science Fair in Kolkata in January 2020 and also in the Jawaharlal Nehru Science, Mathematics and Environment Exhibition 2020 at New Delhi.
In the life, failures are the pillars of success. This time, you may not be selected in the first 15 or first 20, but it doesn't mean that you are totally at loss. Your learning this time, your failure this time may be a good step for learning, just good step for improving your own project in the next year or years to come. Science exhibition, as such, is beginning of making your career to be a scientist. Those who are achieving in the national level, or even zonal level, or even state level, I can define you as young scientist or junior scientist. So if you are having real team to be scientist or real thought in your mind to be scientist in future, you should give thrust on science exhibitions, not only this time, for the years to come also.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended heartiest greetings to the people of Nagaland on the occasion of their 57th Statehood Day celebration today. The Prime Minister in his greetings extolled the people of the state for their compassion and bravery. The Minister also wished for progress and prosperity of the state. Chief Minister of Nagaland, Nephew Rio, and Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, Pema Khandu, also greeted the people of Nagaland state on the occasion. Acting on a tip-off, a combined team of Imphal East District Commando and 6 Assam Rifles arrested 2 arms dealer along with 1 AK-56 rifle during a search operation conducted by Manipur Police in view of the ongoing Sangai Festival today. The miscreants are 25-year-old Kupsang Suang Paite, son of late Lamkhenthang Paite from Silom Vang in Churachandpur district, and 34-year-old Sontha Lam Paite, son of Khazamang Paite from Buki village. Speaking to media at SP Imphal East today, SP Jogesh Chandra Havisam said that the team conducted search operations on commuters at Kwarengai area at around 3 a.m. today. He said that the team halted a Toyota Innova for search operation, following which the vehicle fled the scene. He asserted that the team instantly chased the vehicle and finally caught it at Mantripuke. Upon conducting checks, the team recovered one AK-56, 3 magazines and 80 bullets from the vehicle. Upon investigating the arrested persons, it came to light that the arms were brought from Dimapur and to be delivered at Churachandpur. He further declared that the main culprit involved in the arms dealing has also been identified. The arrested miscreants along with the seized items were handed over to Hengang police station for further legal actions.
Ahingda nongalamdaida chaliba gari singsida arms ammunitions explosives sumaina puba chatpagi poche maroina toriba thabak sing asigi pau phangbodagi akhoise lepdabi adum chatharapani aduna akhoi Imphal East District Police amasung combined Assam Rifle gi team siga akhoi nahandagi adum chathajarakpada masi akhoina district police ki amasung akhoi toriba sing asigi achievement amani na khali pharaba mioi amasung khuju khulai si akhoi gi Hengang police station da sinaraga आयनगी तौफम थोप मसागी लीगल एक्शन अदुम चथरगनी अदुगा मसिगी मतुंगी ना मखा ताबा खोय अदुम थिजन खोजन बा अदुम अखोय अदुम तौहिगनी हाइबसी मसिमदसु थमजगे थैंक यू
Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, cum MLA of Oinam, L. Radhakishore, inaugurated a newly constructed water ATM booth at Kainau of Kainau Gram Panchayat in Oinam under Bishnupur Gram Panchayat today. Kainau Gram Panchayat, as an implementing agent, constructed the water ATM booth under the 14 Finance Commission. The water ATM booth will avail 20-litre water at just 10 rupees. Speaking on the occasion, L. Radhakishore urged the people to strive earnestly to make the state self-reliant.
Government degi ni saga da banate India government degi adu to badam nati hai ekoi na changa ka sarkar se pai ko ka da di ekoi ki budget si 100% chama da chama si India government ki budget India government pir ko paisa sinner ga lai re ba koi si mai se tham da mai se pu di ikai je ba kari ikai state da ma ore ga di state da ma ki revenue state da ma ki income compulsory income se total budget to ki 15% hai ba 15% lai to state to di ta same badi state ki state ta se ka ki ga da ne ba asem ba har ga di sam ko chap manana akoi state chi su ekoi ki own resource ama ekoi ki fund ma kha ekoi drive to ba change ba thabak ma te su de hauji.
Senior citizens of Tobul Mamang Lekai in Bishnupur district were presented with winter gifts and essentials today. 17 elderly people were gifted one blanket each in the event held at Tobul Mamang Mandap. NCC Office Manipur organized a marathon event for the NCC cadets on the occasion of the 71st National Cadet Corps NCC Day 2019 today. The marathon kicked off from NCC office in DM College campus, which passed through greater Imphal areas and finally concluded at the initial point. Cadets of various NCC wing participated in the marathon. Now the sports news. Churchill Brothers Goa will meet Minerva FC Punjab in the third league match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Goa's Fatorda Stadium today, while Chennai City will battle against Trau FC Manipur in the fourth league match at Coimbator's Nehru Stadium this evening. In yesterday's first league match played at Aizaul's Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, Aizaul FC and Kolkata's Mohan Bagan ended in a goalless draw. In the second league match played at EMS Stadium last night, Kerala Gokulam defeated Neroka FC 2-1. For the winners, Henry Kiseka and Marcus Joseph netted one goal each at 43rd and 49th minute. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Samson at 85th minute of the match. Youth Organization Sporting Club YOSC Kurai Konsam Lekai along with Friends Union Club Kurai Hekru Makong felicitated mixed martial arts players Konsam Manglem Jao and Yumlembam Rocket Maitei upon getting selected in the selection trials to participate in the upcoming International One Championship at Singapore in January 2020. The event was held at the residence of the proprietor of United Enterprises Chingmei Rong, Laitonjam, Jayananda at Kurai Konsam Lekai today. Jayananda presented a cash award of 3,000 rupees each to Konsam Manglem Jao and Yumlembam Rocket, who bag gold medals in the 75 kg and 55 kg category respectively of the Aztec Fight League. He also presented financial assistance to the 3 players of YOSC Kurai Konsam, Victor Laitonjam, Moirangthem Tarun Kumar and Thaudam Sachi, who will represent Manipur in the upcoming 70th National Senior Basketball Championship 2019 at Ludhiana in Punjab on December 21. Jayananda also gave financial assistance to Babina Yaikhom from Kurai Konsam Lekai, who is gearing up for the upcoming Charter Accountant examination on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, Jayananda is assured to extend necessary assistance in the infrastructure development of Friends Union Club Kurai Haikromakong.
यूथ अखोना अंगम सपोर्ट पीरगा मखोइबु पृथ्वी की थाकता वर्ल्ड की थाकता साना खुनाबदबु ओरो लाइक लाइसुदबु ओरो मसी अखोना अंगम सपोर्ट मोरल सपोर्ट पिजबनी अखोना पैसा खर्जिदी याम अपिकपा कंट्रीब्यूशन खरनी अदुगा ख्वाइ मरुइदी मोरल सपोर्ट छिन अदुगा आइना पिजनिंगबा मेसेज टू एवरी यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड टू एवरी एंटरप्रेन्योर इन मणिपुर दी सोमसोंगी लेबिरिबा लेकाइदा नत्रगा सोमसोंग माइकैदुदा लमनुमदा लेइबा हौगलइबा यूथ चिंगसी अंगम मतेंग मोरल सपोर्ट फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट पिबिदुना अफबा मणिपुर अमा मांजिन थाव मणिपुर अमा पुरकनबा होनबदा एंटरप्रेन्योर जिंगना लौगदबा रोल दो लौसे हैना माइना आई मेसेज पिजगे.
Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. A team of 3 ministers inspect the prevailing land dispute between Tungjoi village of Senapati district and Khazekeno village in Paik district, Nagaland. General Manager of Northeastern Frontiers Railways, N.K. Prasad, assures that train service will reach Manipur latest by 2023. Representatives of Manpack meets Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren regarding Citizenship Amendment Bill. Manpack expresses discontentment over CM's assurance. Health Minister L. Jayantikumar says Manipur AIDS Control Society are initiating efforts to form a separate HIV/AIDS policy in the state on the occasion of World AIDS Day today. And 40th State Level Science, Mathematics and Environment Exhibition 2019 concludes. Winners of the competition will compete at national level competition.